Hi Year 2, today is Wednesday and we're going to be looking at problem solving involving division. Remember, the quickest way to do a division calculation is by using your times tables, e.g. 45 divided by 5. You would count in 5 to do your 5 times tables. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So that's 9 lots of 5 is 45. So the answer, 45 divided by 5 equals 9. If you find that tricky, then remember you can always draw an array out. When solving problems, remember how. H means highlight the keywords and numbers. O means operation. Think carefully about whether the problem needs you to do a takeaway, an add, a time or divide. W, work out and check. Do the calculation and then see if it looks sensible. Bella has 10 wormeries and 30 worms to share equally between them. How many worms go in each wormery? Hopefully you recognise that you needed to do 30 divided by 10, which equals 3. Bob has 35 pigeons in his collection. He can house 5 pigeons in each cage. How many cages does he need to house all the pigeons? To solve this worded problem, you needed to go 35 divided by 5 because there were 5 cages. You needed to use your 5 times tables and the answer is 7 because 5 times 7 is 35. A sweet making machine puts 10 lollies in each bag. If the machine makes 90 lollies in total, how many bags can it fill? There were 90 lollies in total, so that goes at the start of our calculation, and then we divided by 10. When you do a division, the biggest number always has to go first. So 90 divided by 10. I know then I need to use my 10 times tables, and I know that 10 times 9 equals 90. Joe has 12 small chocolate bars and wants to share them between himself and his little brother. How many chocolate bars do they each get? Hopefully you remember to divide by 2 because there's himself and his little brother. The biggest number is 12, so that always goes first. So we'd go 12 divided by 2. And 12 divided by 2 is 6.